Hey guys, welcome back to our channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how to cancel your Bet Plus subscription. For this, open up your browser and type in Bet Plus customer service and click on the first link. In this website, you have to write your full name, your email address, the platform you used, and describe the problem you have. For me, I have to write my name, my email address, and the platform I used. For me, it is iOS. And then I have to describe what help I need. For me, I have to write, then type in I want to cancel my Bet Plus subscription and I need your help for cancelling it. And press submit. And they will come back to you with a response. And that's it. I hope the video helped you out. If it does, give a like and subscribe to my YouTube channel.